stretching from the top, bringing them around. But effectively what I'm trying to do is close the bottom. It's been for so long and it's been a room temperature before, it's going to be very easy to push and spread. So tapping, and it just opens up very nice, which is basically one hand pressing down, the other hand stretching, flip it onto your hands and put it down. And then over time you get faster and faster. But what you're wanting to do is try and get it even on the base so there's no high spots. Cooling rack for about 30 seconds, 45 seconds is enough just for it to dissipate. Then you can put it on your cutting board and start cutting. Second way is again a little bit more of an ambitious way, but essentially same as before. So if you're not touching it, just go straight underneath, and it helps if it hasn't stuck at all. So if you can see this here, that side is sticking. The way to eliminate that is the same thing, just put a bit of